Hi, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions here again at our Photo Manager Conference in Boston. And this is Jodi Bondy, and she's in Indiana. But where in Indiana are you?
So I am west of Indianapolis. Indianapolis is the center of the state, and then the county west to it is where I'm at.
Okay, great. And what's the name of your company?
My company's Hoosier Photo Organizer, which has a little bit of a play on it because I can ask people, who's your photo organizer?
Ah, I like that. That's fun. Well, and what's something that you've done with a client this past year that's either been interesting for you or has had an impact on the client?
Okay, so I've been working with a client now for almost a year, and when I got there, they wanted me to be there with them because a lot of times they're like, I just won't do it if you're not here. Mm-hmm. So I went. I was going to start following my process, and that didn't really work for them. And being a former school teacher, I knew I had to meet my clients, my students, where they're at.
Right.
And so this is how they wanted to do it. And I'm like, okay, that's not the right way that I would do it, but I'm going to do it that way because I wanted to make sure that they were satisfied. So we went through, I scanned, they had albums and they had boxes. Mm-hmm. They wanted to scan the boxes first. And I did, and we got to scan in the albums. They're like, well, we've already seen these pictures. I said, yes. I said we should have done the albums first, but okay. And so then we got into naming and kind of dividing things up. And these last few times, they've actually said, oh, so you need to name this way. And I'm like, very good. I've listened, I'm learning.
Yeah.
So sometimes you just have to do it the way that you don't want to do it as a professional, but that's where your client is. So you have to treat them, it's almost like raising children. You can't take a toddler and say, this is how you're going to eat the food and blah, blah, blah. Right. You have to let them grow and learn into it. Mm-hmm. And so it's wonderful. It's like seeing that light bulb come on for students. That's what's been happening with this client is they finally see why I was saying this is how we need to do things.
Yeah.
So.
And they are learning.
They are, yeah.
And that means that they're can look ahead, and when they get new photos in,
yes,
go, oh, we need to do it this way,
right,
so that it fits.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
Yep,
well, that's great.
Exactly.
And another reason why you should use your photos to tell your story so they will last for generations. And if you have questions on what's the right way to do it, contact us. See you next time.